Shopify is an e-commerce platform that enables merchants to create an online store and sell their products to customers all over the world. But what makes Shopify stand out is not just its ease of use and flexibility, but also its network of Shopify partners. Shopify partners are web designers, developers, marketers, and agencies who specialize in helping businesses launch and grow their online stores on the Shopify platform. These partners have the expertise and experience needed to create custom design stores, develop custom apps, and execute effective marketing strategies. Shopify partners are an essential part of the Shopify ecosystem. They play a critical role in helping merchants build and grow their businesses on the platform. They provide a wide range of services that are tailored to the unique needs of each business, including design and development, marketing and advertising, and technical support. One of the benefits of working with a Shopify partner is the expertise they bring to the table. Partners are highly skilled in their respective areas of expertise, and they stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices in e-commerce. They can provide invaluable insights and guidance to merchants, helping them make informed decisions that can positively impact their businesses. Another benefit of working with a Shopify partner is the ability to create a truly custom designed online store. Shopify offers a wide range of templates and themes, but a partner can help a merchant create a unique and custom design that reflects their brand and vision. This can help a business stand out from its competitors and create a memorable and engaging shopping experience for customers. Shopify partners also have access to exclusive resources and tools that can help them create better online stores. They can use Shopify's API to develop custom apps that can help automate tasks, improve customer experience, and enhance the functionality of a store. They can also leverage Shopify's vast network of third-party apps and integrations to help businesses streamline their operations and improve their marketing efforts. In addition to the technical expertise and resources they bring to the table, Shopify partners also offer a high level of customer support. They are dedicated to helping merchants succeed, and they are available to provide ongoing support and guidance throughout the entire lifecycle of a business. In conclusion, Shopify partners are an integral part of the Shopify ecosystem. They bring a wealth of expertise and experience to the table, and they are dedicated to helping merchants launch and grow their businesses on the platform. Whether you're looking to create a custom designed online store, develop custom apps, or execute effective marketing strategies, a Shopify partner can provide the support and guidance you need to succeed.